Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting lineup to share with you. The top 7 best folding bikes on the market. Whether you are a city commuter or a weekend adventurer, these folding bikes offer the perfect blend of portability and performance. Stay tuned as we break down the features, pros and cons of each bike to help you make the best choice for your needs. At the first position of our list, we have Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Ride-On. The Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Ride-On, a thrilling innovation in personal transportation. This electric ride-on is not just a toy, it's a reliable mode of eco-friendly commuting. With a robust construction and sleek design, the Bolt offers a thrilling ride experience for both kids and adults. The Jetson Bolt features a powerful electric motor capable of reaching speeds up to 15 miles per hour, ensuring a swift and exciting journey. Its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient for storage and transport, fitting into tight spaces effortlessly. The lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 15 miles on a single charge, allowing you to explore your neighborhood without worrying about reaching constantly. Safety is a top priority with the Bolt, as it comes equipped with a responsive disc brake system and bright LED lights for enhanced visibility even in low-light conditions. The sturdy frame can support riders up to 220 pounds, and the comfortable padded seat ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride. The Jetson Bolt Folding Electric Ride-On is a perfect blend of fun and practicality, making it an excellent choice for those looking to make their daily commute or leisurely rides more exciting. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Sailnovo Electric Bicycle 14-inch Electric Bike for Adults. Meet the Sailnovo Electric Bicycle, a game-changer in urban mobility. The 14-inch electric bike is designed with adults in mind, providing a convenient and efficient way to navigate through city streets and explore the great outdoors. The Sailnovo electric bicycle is powered by a robust electric motor that offers smooth acceleration and a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for daily commuting and leisurely rides. Its compact 14-inch wheels strike the perfect balance between portability and stability, ensuring a comfortable and secure riding experience. With a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, this electric bike is easy to handle and transport. The removable lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge, giving you the freedom to go to the distance without worrying about running out of power. Equipped with a reliable braking system, LED headlights, and a comfortable saddle, the Sailnovo electric bicycle prioritizes safety and comfort. Whether you are zipping through traffic or cruising along scenic bike paths, this electric bike delivers on performance and style. Experience the future of commuting with the Sailnovo electric bicycle, where convenience meets eco-consciousness. The number 3 position is held by Sailnovo Electric Bike Electric Bicycle with 18.5 mph electric bikes. Introducing the Sailnovo Electric Bike, an extraordinary electric bicycle designed for the adventurous spirit. With a top speed of 18.5 miles per hour, this electric bike takes your outdoor excursions to the next level, offering both speed and comfort in one sleek package. The Sailnovo electric bike boasts a powerful 350-watt motor that effortlessly propels you up steep hills and across long stretches of road. The 26-inch wheels provide stability and control, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. With a removable 36-volt 10.4 Ah lithium-ion battery, you can cover up to 50 miles on a single charge, allowing you to explore far and wide without interruption. Safety is paramount, and this electric bike features reliable front and rear disc brakes, LED headlights for nighttime riding, and a responsive paddle assist system to customize your ride. The ergonomic design includes a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, making it suitable for riders of all heights. The Sailnovo electric bike is not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you are commuting to work, running errands, or embarking on thrilling outdoor adventures, this electric bike delivers the speed and reliability you need to enjoy every moment. Next at number 4, we have the ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike for Adults 20 mph e-bike. The ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike for Adults is a sleek and stylish e-bike that's designed for urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts alike. With a top speed of 20 mph, this electric bike offers a smooth and efficient ride, allowing you to effortlessly tackle hills and cover long distances without breaking a sweat. One of its standout features is the folding design, which makes it incredibly convenient to store and transport. Whether you are commuting to work or going on a weekend adventure, this e-bike can easily fit into your car trunk or apartment closet. The ANCHEER e-bike is equipped with a powerful 250-watt brushless motor and a removable 36-volt 8Ah lithium-ion battery, providing you with a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge. It also features a 21-speed Shimano transmission system, ensuring precise control over your riding experience. The 20-inch wheels provide stability and control, while the front and rear disc brakes offers reliable stopping power. Whether you are a city dweller or a nature explorer, the ANCHEER folding electric bike is a fantastic choice for convenient, eco-friendly transportation. The number 5 position is held by Jasion EB3 electric bike for adults, 21 mph folding adults electric bicycle. The Jason EB3 electric bike is a powerful and efficient folding e-bike designed to cater to the needs of adult riders seeking both speed and portability. With a top speed of 21 mph, it's one of the fastest options in the folding electric bike market. The e-bike's folding design makes it ideal for city commuters and adventurers alike. Its compact size allows for easy storage in tight spaces, and it's a breeze to carry onto public transportation when needed. The Jetson EB3 boasts a robust 350-watt motor and a removable 48-volt 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery, delivering an impressive range of up to 45 miles on a single charge. It's perfect for longer commutes and weekend explorations. With a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, you can adapt to various terrains and riding conditions. The 20-inch wheels offer stability, and the front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power for safety. If you are in search of a folding electric bike that combines speed and convenience, the Jason EB3 is a compelling choice for adults looking to enhance their commuting and recreational experiences. The number 6 position is dominated by LECTRIC XP Lite electric bike adult folding bikes. The LECTRIC XP Lite electric bike is a versatile and lightweight folding e-bike designed for adult riders who value portability without compromising performance. It's perfect for those who want to explore the city or hit the trails with ease. This e-bike features a streamlined folding mechanism that makes it incredibly convenient to store and transport. It can effortlessly fit into your car, trunk, or apartment, making it ideal for commuters and adventurers on the go. Powered by a 350-watt brushless motor and a removable 36-volt 7.8Ah lithium-ion battery, the LECTRIC XP Lite offers a range of up to 30 miles on a single charge. It also boasts a 7-speed Shimano transmission system, allowing you to customize your riding experience. The 20-inch fat tires provide stability and comfort on various terrains, while the front and rear disc brakes ensure safety and control. Whether you are navigating the urban jungle or hitting the off-road trails, this folding electric bike has you covered. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the ZiZZO Campo 20-inch folding bike with 7-speed. The ZiZZO Campo 20-inch folding bike is a versatile and affordable option for riders seeking a compact and adaptable folding bike with the added benefit of a 7-speed gear system. Designed for both city commuters and recreational cyclists, the ZiZZO Campo offers the convenience of a folding design, allowing you to easily stow it in small spaces or transport it in your car. This folding bike is equipped with a reliable 7-speed Shimano gear system, which provides a wide range of options for tackling different terrains and slopes. It's ideal for those who want a bit more control over their riding experience. The 20-inch wheels provide stability, and the V-brakes deliver reliable stopping power. The lightweight aluminum frame ensures easy maneuverability. With its affordability and versatility, the ZiZZO Campo 20-inch folding bike is a great choice for riders who want a simple yet effective solution for their commuting and leisure biking needs. That's a wrap on our top 7 folding bikes. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest for the perfect ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the world of cycling. Thanks for tuning in, and happy riding!